everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today, we have something truly special, the all-new 2025 Kia Motorhome. Whether you're a weekend traveler, a full-time road adventurer, or just love the idea of taking your home wherever you go, this motorhome is packed with features designed to impress. So, let's jump right in. First things first, let's talk about design. The 2025 Kia Motorhome blends sleek, futuristic aesthetics with practical engineering. The smooth body lines not only look great but also enhance aerodynamics, making for better fuel efficiency. And check this out, LED lighting all around for a sharp, modern look that's also functional for nighttime camping. You also get a power-operated awning, providing instant shade for those sunny days. And how about this? Hidden storage compartments built seamlessly into the body, perfect for extra gear, camping chairs, or even an outdoor kitchen setup. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is powered by a fuel-efficient yet powerful hybrid engine, combining a 3.5L V6 with an electric motor. That means better mileage and lower emissions without compromising on power. You get around 300 horsepower, which is plenty to keep you cruising effortlessly, even on steep inclines. Driving a motorhome has never been easier. With adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera, navigating even the tightest spots feels effortless. And the best part? It's built on a unibody platform, making it drive more like an SUV than a traditional bulky RV. Stepping inside, you immediately feel at home. Kia has done an incredible job blending comfort with high-tech innovation. The interior is spacious and stylish, with premium materials throughout. This lounge area easily converts from a comfortable sitting space to a full dining setup, and guess what? It can also transform into an extra bed. Perfect for when you have guests. Now, let's talk about the kitchen. Fully equipped with a 2-burner induction stove, a convection microwave, and a full-size fridge, you can whip up anything from a simple snack to a gourmet meal. And check this, soft close cabinets with tons of storage. Moving towards the back, here's the master sleeping area, a full queen-sized bed, overhead storage, and even USB charging ports built right into the walls. Plus, thanks to excellent insulation and climate control, you'll stay comfortable in any weather. Of course, no motorhome is complete without a proper bathroom. You get a full wet bath with a high-pressure shower, a modern vanity, and a smart toilet with eco-friendly water usage. One of the coolest things about this motorhome is its smart technology. With this touchscreen control panel, you can manage everything, lighting, temperature, and water levels, all at your fingertips. And for the tech-savvy, there's a mobile app that lets you monitor and control key functions remotely. Need power on the go? The integrated solar panel system keeps your batteries charged, reducing the need for hookups. So, there you have it, the 2025 Kia Motorhome. It's stylish, efficient, packed with tech, and built for adventure. Whether you're a solo traveler or a family road tripper, this motorhome checks all the boxes. What do you think? Would you take this beauty on your next road trip? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you on the road.